Did you see him? Let me catch you up. My name is Rachel, and this is my husband, Mark. 3 years ago, Mark and I got married, and he joined the Navy to become a pilot. We have spent the last few years living along the Gulf Coast as Mark finished flight school, and in November of 2020, we moved to Whidbey Island in Washington State. This is our first duty station, and we will be here for about 3 years. Because of the travel restrictions Mark has, we weren't able to go home, so this was our first Christmas with just the two of us. It's definitely a tiny house.
Hey, how you doing? Hey there, you're all set. All right, thanks. Hello.
We were gonna go on a hike yesterday for Christmas morning, but it was supposed to rain, but then it didn't rain, and then we talked to our family, my family really, all day long. So we decided to come to Deception Pass again, State Park. We decided to come to Deception Pass State Park again today and walk around.
What are you doing?
On an adventure.
On an adventure? I don't know if this is the way you're supposed to go.
I don't think so, but I thought it would be more fun.
How's that going?
I don't know how to get down all the way.
Yeah, I know you don't. It's fine.
It's fine. Yeah, it's a little bit cold, as one would expect. Okay, we're walking around to Lighthouse Point. Yet to be determined if there is a lighthouse. Also, which way do we go?
Down.
Okay. Think we found it?
There is no lighthouse, that is for sure. Maybe there used to be a lighthouse.
Maybe. Might have missed it. But we're just gonna walk around. We'll be back here again. So if we missed it, we'll come back with Becca.
Bird has a fish.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, that big guy.
Oh, we got another one.
Wow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's a mountain over there. Look! Did you see him? Did you see him? He was right there.
It may have just been a one-time thing.
He was right there. How long can they hold their breath? I'm just getting the littlest glimpses. Oh, don't be. He's not gonna come back, is he?
Next time you just come here, it's gotta be ready. See it.
Well, I didn't know they would be over here too. I tried to be quiet that time. It'd be good. Where are you going? We have to wait here until he comes back. Last time when we were here, we were over there on that rock area right there, and then we saw the seal swimming right here. And then today we're walking around over here, and so we saw them swimming back over that way, farther around the corner. So they're here. those seal guys, they're hanging out here. And I only get a glimpse of them, and then they swim away.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look up how long they can hold their breath, because it must be a long time, because he went down and then I didn't see him for I didn't see him again at all.
He swam away though.
I know, but you have to hold your breath to swim underwater away, and I can see so far. There's a big open area. One day I'll see him for more than half a second.
You can fit inside it.
That's a really big tree.
I'm probably gonna lay him, but I just don't want to push him in,
Oh, you're just gonna lay it on its side.
Yeah.
This card says it's a frequent flyers club. Frequent flyers.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Isn't that funny? Yeah.
Jet
Because
Java.
it's a jet Java. Just got some coffee now that we're done walking around. It was a good hike. I feel like it was really pretty. I mean, I basically saw a seal. I saw his face,
Basically.
but I didn't get the video. So overall, pretty good day. Pretty good Christmas.
You don't have water, do you?
No, I don't.
That's interesting.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you wanted it that badly. Okay. That's one way to do it.